might say, if she's keeping a season. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Styles channel. I hope you guys are doing well today because me, as always, I'm doing fantastic. No guys, I'm not skipping any season, and guys, in today's video I just want to share with you a product review. This company sent over to me this beautiful tree that you see behind me, and guys, I think it's a good time for me to share with you in advance to see what they have out there. If you are somebody that plan on decorate for Christmas, I think it's a good time for you to just shop around to see what they have. And in this today's video, I'm going to share with you this tree. So the link will be in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, feel free to check them out. And I just want to let you know, I'm not going to decorate this tree for this particular video, but you can always come back to see how I transform the tree, how I decorate for Christmas, as we are in fall season, and I want to give you so many more ideas on fall decor without skipping a season. Alright guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. This tree, it's a 7.5 feet tall. And guys, I really like it because I'm planning on living in the dining area or upstairs where I have my family room. But guys, if you are someone that looking for an affordable tree, this one can be a good option. They put manual instruction inside of it, but it's super easy to put together. And I really like it. For the price you're paying, is good, because this tree come with 350 warm white light, which is, it's pre-lit. You don't have to buy any light to put on it because you have all the light that you need. I really like it. So, and it's flocked. Some people like green tree, but some people like the tree when it's flocked, but me, I like it like that. Yes, it's very nice and super easy to put together. I have my son helping me out to put in the corner. So if you don't want a super large tree, this one can do it, because for the place I'm going to put it, this will be perfect. But if you want something very large, and I think they have other trees so you can choose from, but this one for the place that I'm going to put it is perfect. So I have my son put it together for me. Like I said, it's easy to put together. So if you're on the market for a tree, this one can be a good option because it's pre-lit. Once you buy it, you don't have to buy any more light, and you don't have to spend any more money just to put more light in it. So it's nice. It's a good to have. So the link will be in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, you can feel free to check it out. Like I said in this video, I'm not going to decorate it. I just want to show you what is it out there if it interests you. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And click on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review like I'm doing today. I do clean with me DIY. And if you are not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. And guys, the tree it's not a pencil tree, but is not too wide as well. So it's all depend where you're going to put it. But me, where I'm going to leave it is perfect. So you can always check in the website to see what they have, so you can buy larger or smaller. And guys, this is how the tree look like when it's laid up. And like I said, it's super nice, a hinge flock tree, and it looks so natural with 350 warm white light. So yes, it's nice to have. If you're on the market for a nice tree, this one can be a good option for you. So don't forget to check the link in the description box down below if something like that interests you.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.